Morning students, today we are going to learn new lesson, the open window from class 8, that is lesson number 7, book 1. The name of the book 1 is yours, it is Honeydew, okay? Honeydew book 1, that is lesson number 7, the open window. Fine, let's know about this lesson. Before that, before you read, reading of the lesson, okay? Reading of the lesson, then after we come to the paraphrasing of the lesson, word meaning, comprehension check, and also we can also go to the next stage, grammar or writing skills. Okay, so let's see about that. So let's know what is the open window by written by Saki H.H. Munro into bracket H.H. Munro. Summary in English. Let's know summary in English. The narrator Frampton Nuttall. Now one of the narrator is there. His name is Frampton Nuttall. Had some nervous disorder. He had some nervous disorder in his body, in his brain. He needed complete rest and no mental excitement. So he needed a complete rest. With no any kind of a mental excitement. ಯಾವುದು ಉತ್ಸುಕತೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾವುದು ಹಂತಾಪರಿ ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಾದಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ. Okay, his name is Frampton Nuttall, Frampton Nuttall. Okay, he was advised to settle in the country for cure. So what he was said, he was advised. Okay, for what? To settle in the country. ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. For cure purpose, to get out of the problems. When he was preparing to migrate to the country, his sister gave him a few letters of introduction to all the people. So when he thought migrating to his country, migrating ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ತಗೋತಾನೆ ಆವಾಗ. So he want to go to the village, to his own village. His sister gave him few letters. ಅವರು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಕೆಲವು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಚಯ ತೋರ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ರು ಆ ಪತ್ರನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ನ್ಯೂ ದಿಸ್, ಸೊ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಒನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಟು ಮಿಸಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಟನ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಟನ್ ಹೆಸರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಮಿಸಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಟನ್ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಲಿನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಹಿ ನ್ಯೂ ನೋಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಲಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಅಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಪತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ, ಸ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಟನ್ ಕರೆದ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹರ್, ಹಿ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್, he knew nobody else there, so he don't know anyone except now Mrs. Sappleton according to his sister's letter. Mrs. Sappleton was upstairs. Sappleton ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರು, on the first floor or second floor. Her niece Vera received the stranger. So her niece, our niece ಬಂದ್ಲು, okay, and her name is Vera, 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 okay. Miss Sappleton, her niece is Vera, okay, niece. So niece came, that is Vera, and welcomed the stranger. Now who is the welcomed stranger? Frampton Nuttall. So she welcomed him. He did not know whether Miss Sappleton was married or widowed. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಟನ್ ವಯಸ್ಸೇನಿರಬೇಕು, ವಿಡೋ ಇದಾರೋ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಇದಾರೋ. So that was also big question for me. So the young girl Veera decided to have some fun. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ young girl Veera ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವಳು ಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಫನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೋಕ್, okay, like comedy. She told him that the great mishap occurred some 3 years ago. 3 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಘಟನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. What is that incident 3 years ago? Let's see. She said that her aunt's husband with her 2 young brothers and a dog had gone out for day shooting through the window. So, through this open window, aunt's husband, okay, along with her 2 young brothers, our husband and our 2 young brothers and a dog, they have went from this open window which goes towards the forest, shooting. They have gone to shoot the animal. through the window. While crossing the grassland, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವರು grassland cross ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, they sank into the wet marshy ground. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it was a water, okay, stagnant and marshy soil, and they went inside the earth. They went inside the earth in that stagnant marshy soil. They never returned. ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಅವರು ಹೊಳ್ಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So they went from this open window, they never turned back, they never came. Then even their dead bodies could not be recovered. ಅವರು ಹೆಣಗಳನ್ನು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಣ dead bodies also they were not been received. Veera continued with her cooked up story. Veera ಹೀಗೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ಲು. To whom? To the Nuttall. Who is Nuttall? Frampton Nuttall, a stranger and a writer. ಒಬ್ಬ ಲೇಖಕ ಮತ್ತು ಅಪರಿಚಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. She said that poor aunt always kept the window open every evening, and my poor aunt, she keeps always the window open, waiting for her husband and two young brothers and a dog. ಹಾಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಾಗ್ಲ ಆ ಕಿಟಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. Waiting for whom? Waiting for her husband, two young brothers as well as dog. Okay. You can also see here next what she says. Her husband carried a white waterproof coat while her youngest brother was in the habit of teasing her by singing Bertie, why do you bound? Frampton got frightened. Let's see. Her husband carried a white waterproof coat. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು? White waterproof coat ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ರೈನ್ ಕೋಟ್, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್. ಹೋಗುದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ when they went, ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಲೇಖಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. While her youngest brother was in the habit of teasing her by singing. ಅವ್ರ youngest brother ಏನಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? To the Sapilton. Okay, because brother's wife ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. So this was also been found. And what we can see here other than that, Bertie, why do you bound? And he used to call her with fun Bertie, Berti, with fun. Who? Her youngest brother, husband's youngest brother. Frampton got frightened. Frampton immediately got scared. What is this story you are telling me all about? Frampton ಅಂದ್ರೆ Nuttall Frampton, a stranger. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ ನಂತರ. It was a relief to him when the aunt walked into the room. Immediately the aunt came by the time, and this was relieved to whom? Relieved ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರು. ಯಾರು? Nuttall Frampton. Who came there? The aunt came, that is Sapilton. Okay, Sapilton came there, so now he is free of relief. So he started telling about his ailments. Then after he started to tell about his problems. Okay, because he is newcomer in the village, he has to stay in the village and rest for his mental disorder or nervous disorder. So he wants peace, so he has come to village back. And the letter given by his sister. Sapilton ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Let's see what happens. She hoped that the girl must have been amusing him. So she understood. Oh, Veera might have told you something and did fun of you, telling some true lie stories or cooking the stories. ಇದೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. So don't take on mind ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. So she understood immediately. She caught Veera. Veera ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Let's see. But the aunt's eyes were constantly turning to the open window and the lawn. But still, the aunt was seeing to the open window as well as in the lawn. Lawn ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಓಪನ್ ವಿಂಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸಿತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜರ್ಗೆ ಖರೇನ ಅನ್ಸಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದು, ಇವ್ರು ವಿಂಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ್ಕೆ, ಖರೇನ ಇವ್ರು ಗಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೀಗೆಂತ ಕತೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಾನೆ. But actually no, she's seeing outside to the lawn and in the window with certain other reason. Let's say she looked feeling bored with his details of illness. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ because he's telling about his illness. So he's telling about his sickness, mental disorder or nervous system, and he has to rest in the village. So I have come to village ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So she's getting bored, so she's seeing in the window to avoid him. Okay. Then suddenly she saw the party running home just in time for tea, and she saw in the window what? A party running. Party means group of people running for time. It is tea time, running for tea time. And Frampton also saw through the open window with horror, and then Frampton started to see with a great horror, with a great surprise. Huh? ಯಾರು ಹುಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Who is that group? Three figures were walking towards the window. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಜನರಿದ್ರು. Three figures. Let's see. They all carried guns. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗನ್ ಇತ್ತು. They had a gun. And one of them recited the song saying, Bertie, Bertie, why do you bound? One of them was singing Bertie, Bertie, Bertie ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Okay, why do you bound? Why do you bound? Okay, why do you bother all about? They all carried guns. Frampton took them all for ghosts. Frampton thought that they are the ghosts. Frampton ಏನನ್ಸಿತ್ತು ಇದು ದೇವು ಭೂತ ಪಿಶಾಚಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. Because the story told by Veera. Okay, that's all. ಆದ್ರೂ ಆ ಕತೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಖರೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಜನರು ಖರೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಲಿನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಆ ಹೊಸ ಜಾಗ ಹೊಸ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ದ ಗೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್. ಖರೆ ಖರೇನೆ ದೇವ್ ಭೂತ ಪಿಶಾಚಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತ. Frampton took them all for ghosts. He collected his hat and stick. Immediately ಅವನು ತಂದ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ, ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ, ಓಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತ. He ran out madly. ಓಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತ ಹುಚ್ಚಿದ ಹಾಗೆ. He forced the cyclist to run into a hedge. He told one of the cyclists who was coming to run into a hedge. Hedge means from the border of the forest. Okay, or from that roadside. Move from there. Veera's uncle inquired about the stranger. Veera's uncle came by the time and asked, what happened? Who is the stranger? Why is running like a mad and screaming? The aunt described him as an extraordinary man, Mr. Nuttel. ಅವನು ಬಹಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಟ್ಟಲ್ ಅಂತ. Who could only talk about his illness. ಅವನು ಬರೇ ತನ್ನ ಜ್ವರ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Nuttel had perhaps seen a ghost. Nuttel ಏನು ಘೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. He might have seen any ghost. So he started running on mental disorder. But Veera said calmly that the stranger had a horror of dogs. So Veera told immediately it is a horror of dogs. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾಯಿಗಿಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಯ. Okay, horror of dogs. He gets scared of dogs. Once the poor fellow had to spend the night in a grave with the dogs growling above him. So again she started to tell one cooked story. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಥೆ ಚಾಲು ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾರ್ದು? Veera telling lie, cooking the story. Once the poor fellow had to spend his night in the grave. ಅವನು ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಹೀಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಡೀ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರ ಸಂಶಾನ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯ್ದ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ growling above him. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಅವನ ಬೆನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಬಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಬೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಗ್ರೇವ್ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಳೆದಾನೆ. ಅಸ್ತಿ ಭಯ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾಯಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Veera was good at finding occasions for fun. Veeranದು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ occasion she cooks a good story. ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ರಮೇಶ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ. So this was the quality found in the Veera. So this is all about lesson. Okay, let's know about the vocabulary. Bad nerves, nervous disorder. Mishap, tragic incident. Focus, interest. Presently, soon. Self-possessed, calm and confident. Put up with, bear with. Flatter, please. Discounting, considering. Endeavored, tried. Succession. So many, one after the other. Migrate, leave one place to settle at another. Rural retreat, safe place in the countryside. Bury yourself down, get lost. Mopping, feeling unhappy and pity oneself. Division category, silent communion, being quiet. Distinct, clear, perceived, continued. Masculine habitation, males, living there. Tragedy, mishaps, indicating, pointing towards. Engulfed, swallowed up, sank into. Treacherous, dangerous. Flatteringly, shocky, haltingly. Spaniel, dog, dusk, evening. Got on her nerves, became unbearable, troubled. Broke off, became quiet. Shudder, fear, trembling. Briskly, quickly. Whirl of apologies, feeling sorry. Relief, comfort. Mess, spoil. Scarcity, shortage. Prospects, chances. So this is about the word meanings here. Let's come to the question and answers. Why had Frampton Nuttel come to the rural retreat? Frampton Nuttel was suffering from some nervous disorder and worry. So he decided to spend a few days in small village and relax in peace. Why had his sister given him letter of introduction to people living there? His sister knew that Frampton would meet very few people in the countryside. He would feel lonely and bored. His condition could grow worse. So she gave him a letter of introduction to all people she knew there. One was addressed to Mrs. Sappleton. Question next. What happened in the Sappleton family as narrated by the niece? The niece played a practical joke on Sappleton. When she came to know that he was a total stranger, she said that her aunt's husband, two brothers, and a dog had gone for hunting through the window 3 years ago. They never returned. But the aunt was still hoping to see them back through the open window. What did Mrs. Sappleton say about the open window? Mrs. Sappleton said that her husband and brothers would be entering in the house any time. The window was kept open till it was dark. They would enter through the open window. The horror on the girl's face made Frampton swing around his seat. What did he see? Frampton swung around to know the reason for the girl's horror. Soon he saw three figures coming towards the window. Why did Frampton rush out wildly? The niece had told Nuttall that her aunt's husband and brothers had been missing for 3 years. When Frampton saw them coming, he thought that they were ghosts, so he rushed out wildly in fear. What was the girl's explanation for lightning exit? The girl explained that the Frampton had a bitter experience of dogs, so he made a sudden exit on seeing the dogs. And question next. In this a mystery story, give reason for your answer. The open window is not truly a mystery story. It shows the fertile imagination of a young girl. She plays a practical joke on Frampton and tells a cooked-up story. Poor Frampton falls a prey to her prank and runs out of the house hurriedly. Okay, question next. You are familiar with the irony of the situation in a story. Remember the cop and the anthem in the class 7 supplementary reader. Okay, which situation in open window are good examples of the use of irony? Okay, irony refers to the contrast between what is intended or expected and what actually occurs. The open window has irony of situation. Poor Frampton goes to countryside for rest and relief from his nervousness. But Mrs. Sappleton niece plays such a joke that he suddenly rushes out. He mistakes Mrs. Sappleton's husband and brother as their ghosts. Okay, which phrase or sentence in the text do you find difficult to understand? Select a few and guess the meaning of each. Rewrite a simple paraphrase of each. Came into the nice division, the category of nice people. Masculine habitation. The room seemed to suggest that there lived some male persons. Dirty, why do you bound? Bound means jump, but here it means a person whose behavior is unpleasant to other people. Okay, this is all about the lesson. Okay, and you have here for writing skills long question in the lesson. Who was Veera? What joke did she play? What was its outcome? Answer. Veera was the niece of Mrs. Sappleton. Niece of Mrs. Sappleton. She was a young girl of 15, 15 ವರ್ಷ ವಯಸ್ಸು. She was fun-loving and mischievous. She knew how to oust a stranger from the house. She was very talented how to make the stranger to run out of the house. She played a joke on him, that is Frampton, and made him run out. She narrated a cooked-up story about her aunt's husband, her two brothers, and the open window. She told him that 3 years ago her aunt's husband, along with her two brothers, had gone for shooting. They were caught in a wet marshy land. They never returned, but the aunt, Miss Sappleton, was still hoping that they would return home and enter through the open window. When Miss Sappleton came to Frampton, she also confirmed the story of the hunting party. This story had a deep effect on Frampton. He was frightened to see them coming towards the window. Taking them for ghosts, he rushed out of the gate in great hurry. This is all about the lesson, an open window. Okay? I hope you have understood it and enjoyed this lesson. It is a comical and bit funny. Okay? Read the lesson, go through the difficult words, make your notes like short answers, answer in long, answer in short, answer in a one sentence, answer in a word. Go through them. Okay? Whatever it is. And try to update yourself and gear up for the next. Okay. Until then, see you. Bye bye.